Good morning, guys. Welcome to episode 9 of how we build a 5-story building here in Aventura, Florida. Today we are preparing the area to start installing, actually we start already installing rebars. On our last video we were showing how we pour the concrete on the remaining of the foundation. We have that done. We pour the concrete, then after that we backfilled dirt on the where all the excavation was done for the footing, and after that we did the underground plumbing and underground electrical. Here you can see how the pipes goes up, and the electrical pipes and the plumbing pipes. Now we finish filling with dirt and compacting the soil. After that we did a termite treatment on the soil, and after that we installed the vapor barrier, that it is yellow film, yellow plastic that you can see here. And now guys, start placing the rebar over here, like laying it down to get the appropriate according to plan spacing, and then after that they're gonna start tying one to the other. We are gonna leave all this prepared, and next week we are gonna be pouring concrete all over here. It's gonna be 30 plus truck of concrete that we're gonna have to put here. So subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and wanna keep you informed on how we build 5-story building here in Aventura, Florida. Thanks for watching.